Hi everyone. Today's book is called Honk on the Road. Let's get started. This big tractor is bringing a trailer full of supplies to the farm. The driver sits high up in the tractor's cab. This helps him to see into the distance. Let's find the tractor. Watch out! There's a monster racing over the ramp. Monster trucks are so big they can crush a car. Wow! Let's find the monster truck. Lots of people are speeding into the city on the busy train. Trains run along smooth, shiny train tracks. Let's find the train. This truck honks its horn as it waits to cross the train tracks. Trucks need to have a lot of wheels because they are used to carrying heavy loads. Let's find the truck. Look, a noisy helicopter is hovering over in the sky. Helicopters can fly in any direction, even backwards. Let's find the helicopter. Look both ways. This sports car is driving down the road. Drivers have to stop if a traffic light is red. When it turns green, they can drive on. Let's find the car. The lights are flashing on these police cars. They are on the way to an emergency. The loud siren warns other drivers to move aside and let the police cars pass. Let's find the police car. Coming through! This fire truck zooms past the other cars to reach the fire. A fire truck carries firefighting equipment, such as a ladder, a hose, and a water tank. Let's find the fire truck. This dump truck crashes and clanks as it pours out gravel and dirt. A dump truck can lift up at one end to dump out its load. Let's find the dump truck. This bulldozer is flattening the ground. Bulldozers use their big front blades to move soil or stones. Let's find the bulldozer. And I believe that was the last page. Yup. Hope you guys enjoyed this book. See you next time.